to develop emotional intelligence in five important keys. Developing emotional intelligence is essential for building strong relationships, effective communication, and overall personal and professional success. Help you to read on people's, like a book said, read on people's, how to read on people's. See their emotion. You can read their emotion easily and detect if they are wrong or right on you. At first, self-awareness. Self-awareness is the foundation of emotional intelligence. It involves recognizing and understanding your own emotions, including their triggers and impacts on your thoughts and behavior. Practice self-reflection by regularly checking with your emotion. Ask yourself how you feel and why you feel that way in various situations. You can take a commonplace book and write all your emotions you are feeling. Be alone in your room. Start thinking, start feeling what you are feeling, and write down. Keep a journal to track your emotion response patterns and any recurring themes. This can help you become more and attuned to your emotion over time. The second is self-regulation. It is the ability to manage and control your emotions effectively. It involves staying calm under pressure. If someone is yelling at you, you must be quiet. Don't say anything. If even you are angry, you want to shout him, but no. Calm under pressure, avoiding impulsive reaction. Don't react at situation immediately. Be quiet. Be silent. Observe. If you are under pressure, if you are very angry, you must be quiet. Silence. Take a great breath. Because when you are angry, you can say a lot of bad things you can regret after. And redirecting negative emotions on a constructive way. Use negative emotion to help you be strong in life. Get better in every domain. Practice mindfulness and meditation to stay present and manage emotional reaction in the moment. Read some book like The Power of Now of Eckhart Tolle will help you to be in the moment. And many athletes use it like Kobe Bryant and others. Develop stress reduction techniques such as deep breathing. Like I said, you must deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or guided imagery. You can do self-hypnosis to help you to reprogram your mind to stay calm in challenging situations. In third, we have empathy. The empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's about being able to see the world from their perspective and validate their emotion, because In How to Win Friends of Dale Carnegie, he say people people don't people don't have the ability to be at the place of the other, to see what they see and feel what they feel. And people's people every man are every people are like that. We think we are better than any other. We think only at ourselves. You must see at the perspective of other and see their emotion. It's important to have friends, and it's important to read on people's, to see what they feel, what pain he feels, what degree of pain he are, or what degree of joy he are feeling. Avoid interruption and focus on understanding their feelings. Put yourself in others' shoes and ask open-ended questions to encourage them to express their emotion. In 4, social skills. Social skills involve effectively managing relationships, including communication, collaboration, and conflict resolution. If you are very good in your social skills, you can read on people, because everything they do, you have done it at first, and you have done it since a long time. You will read on people, see where they struggle, where they have problems, where they are help people, and read on them. Develop strong communication skills to express yourself clearly and understand others better. In 5, to develop your emotional intelligence. It is a motivation. Motivation is in the context of emotional intelligence, is the ability to harness your emotion to achieve your personal and professional goals, because emotion can be an obstacle to achieve our goals. Some persons are shy or the extraverty, so we are not the same. Every people on the earth are not the same. Some people have the change of their behavior, of their attitude. Some people haven't. We must use motivation to harness our emotion to achieve our goals. We must set also meaningful and achievable goals that inspire and motivate you. Connect this goal to your values and passions. And also you must stay optimistic and maintain a positive outlook on challenge and setbacks. Use setbacks as opportunity for growth and learning. Remember that developing emotional intelligence is an ongoing journey. It's not the end, and progress may take time. You cannot finish the video and say you understand all in emotional intelligence. Be patient. Over time you will see your evolution and what you know are, and your knowledge about people's grows every day. Practices 5Ks consistently. Seek feedback and write down. Write. Always you see, you must have a book to write all you see, all your thoughts and emotion. Thank you and subscribe to my channel.